Do you like Kuromi? I'm so excited today to be unboxing the Kuromi instant print digital camera. This was sent to us by Kidamento, and it's so cool because it's a camera and also a printer in one. So you can instantly take a photo and be able to print on demand. How cool is that? And did you know Kuromi is one of the most popular Sanrio characters? In fact, Kuromi is ranked 3rd overall from 2022 to 2024. So let's unbox this together. Here is the box. Here is the front, the side. This is the back and the other side. So upon unboxing, you will see inside the box, there are a pack of super cute stickers with Kuromi stickers. There is a scavenger hunt memento book. This is really cute. And when you open that, it's basically a notebook where you can put the pictures that you take into here as a collectible. And I really love how there's Kuromi on every page. Isn't it so cute? So if you're a Kuromi fan, this is definitely a must-have. So cute, right? In addition, there is a user manual for the camera. Now let's move into the box itself. So you can see here, there's a strap for the camera. There is a cable to charge the camera. Also, you can see there are 2 ink-free paper rolls. This one is just a regular paper, and this one has an adhesive at the back so that you can stick your beautiful photos onto your journal or any other items that you want to stick your photos to. Now let's have a look at the camera. Here is the beautiful Kuromi camera. Here is one side of the camera, and you can see this is where the paper comes out. Here's one of the lenses, and this is where you open it up to put your printer paper. And there are 2 hooks here, so you can hook the strap onto these 2 hooks. Now let's look at the side. So there's a speaker on this side, and if you look on this side, there's a door here where you can charge your camera, and it comes with a 32GB memory card. And then here is the other side. So this is where most of the controls are. This is the power button, and it's also the switch camera button. Here we have a return button or the settings button. There's a forward and backward, so you can move between frames between this plus and minus sign. This is the album button if you want to go into the album. And here is the print button for when you're ready to print. And of course on this side, there is a setting button to toggle between photo and video. And if you look here, there's a tiny hole, and basically it is a charging indicator light. And up here, which is really cool, there is a selfie cam if you want to take a picture of yourself. So let's try making a photo and printing it out. So in order to put in the printer paper, you can open this side and you just gently pull that up. And then with your roll of ink-free paper, you just place it this way, with the paper facing up like so, and you should take a little so that it's sticking out, and then you just close that, and you can rip out the extra from this side like this. Now let's turn on the camera. So cute. Hi Kuromi. Now let's take a photo of Melody and Kuromi together. Say cheese. Did you hear that? There was a snap sound. Now let's try printing out the photo using this print button. Oh, it's coming out now. Oh, I see Melody now. And out comes Kuromi. Wow, it's done. And we can just rip it along the perforated edge here on the camera at the top. So what do you think? That's a pretty good printout, don't you think? But wait, apparently there are various photo frames we can use to take different pictures that have cute Kuromi picture frames. Let's have a look. Oh, that's kind of cute. That has a round frame. Then there's one with a border. Wow, these are so cute. And as you scroll through the plus or the minus sign, you can select different frames to make your print. What do you think? Which one is your favorite printout? I really like this one because it's black and it has stars and it has Kuromi and it's so cool. Let's try taking a photo with this frame. And this one is vertical. So let's take a picture of Kuromi within this frame. So I've just taken the photo, so let's try printing this out and see what it looks like on paper. Here it comes. So this is what it looks like in the very cool Kuromi frame. What do you think? Let's make another one, this time with Melody and Kuromi together. Say cheese. Let's print this one out now. So here is the other printout with a different frame, this time including Melody. So now we have a total of 3 photos, one just as is, one with a vertical frame, and one with a horizontal frame. Aren't they cute? You can also make videos by pushing on this toggle button for a few seconds to change it to video mode. So you can see there's a video here on the top. And now you can start making a video of whatever you would like to take a video of. And when you're done with all your printouts, don't forget to turn off the camera. Just push down on the power button. And it says, Kuromi, later troublemaker. Isn't that cute? And of course, for convenience reasons, you can always attach this strap to the 2 hooks at the top. Let's put them onto the hooks here. So now I've attached the strap, and as you can see, it's adjustable, so you can wear this over your neck or over your shoulder. And also, if you have your favorite charms, you can also add them to the strap to charm up your bag. And here's my favorite Kuromi charm, so I've just attached this to the strap for extra fun. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you're interested in this instant print camera, I highly recommend that you get it while it's still available, and I'll leave links down in the description box below. And if you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, where I'm super active on my Instagram page with a lot of Sanrio content. Thank you so much for joining us again, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye now.